Kidney health foods that support function naturally. Small changes protect your kidneys daily. I didn't notice the signs at first. Fatigue felt normal. Swelling seemed random. Until a routine test showed early kidney stress. That moment changed everything. Not fear, but awareness. Kidneys filter waste and balance fluids. When overloaded, they lose efficiency slowly. Foods can support this process gently, not reverse damage magically, but improve function over time. Foods influence inflammation and filtration. According to the World Health Organization, diet plays a key role in chronic disease prevention. Research in the National Institutes of Health shows nutrition affects kidney workload and oxidative stress. Here are 4 foods that helped me adjust my routine. First, blueberries. Rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins. They help reduce oxidative stress in cells. A small handful daily is enough. Second, red bell peppers. Low in potassium but high in vitamin C. This supports immune balance without overloading kidneys. Slice them fresh or add to salads. Third, garlic. Contains allicin, known for anti-inflammatory effects. It may help improve blood pressure control. Use it in cooking instead of excess salt. Fourth, olive oil. A source of healthy fats and polyphenols. It supports heart health, which is closely linked to kidney function. 1 tablespoon daily works well. Effects vary by person and condition. I also reduced sodium intake. This lowered fluid retention and pressure. Hydration became more consistent, not excessive. Tracking progress mattered. I monitored energy levels and lab results. Small improvements built motivation. A study in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology highlights diet quality as a key factor. Not one food, but patterns over time. Some foods may not suit everyone. Moderation is always important. Consult a doctor before diet changes. Avoid extreme diets or sudden restrictions. This journey taught me patience. No instant fixes, just steady progress. Start with 1 small habit today. Like and share if this helped. Your health improves with every step.